outside 60,000. It's very expensive in Richard's outside in the Philippines because he's from Canada. But he can be a SVP, no? I know daddy you can do it because daddy is very strong. Who are you, 893? Are you SVIP, no? Why you know it? Expensive here. Ah, expensive in your country. Curtis. That's why my friend before, he can send in the PK 20,000, 30,000 like that. If they play games and win, they will help. Ah, if they will play games and win, because if you keep on winning, you can accumulate that as long they get monthly 50K Dayas. Wow. That's why some of the game player here. Monyekote. Not worth it, you know. Not worth it. 70,000 top up. 65,000 within 30 days. Mm-mm. So it's not worth it. Because you only use 60,000 for 1 month. 1 month only. How about if you will not use it? Yeah, SVIP if you are Bigo host is nothing. But he is not a Vigo host. He is not a Vigo, he's a spender. Feel free. Hi, Leo. He don't need it. Ah, he don't need it. You just recharge na lang. Just recharge. Mm. Recharge na lang daw, Daddy. Oh. No need to be SVIP. Are you SVIP? Number one. Why you know everything? Maybe that's your dummy, you know? That's your dummy only. Andy. Maybe you're just using dummy account. Mm-mm. Who are you? 893. Maybe you know me. And you're just there. Your dummy account. Who are you? Tell me. Why are you hiding? You don't want to give me Bubble Dragon, no? You don't want to give me gift, na. That's why you are hiding, na. Charot. Why you're just hiding, huh? Don't hide in your dummy. I don't know you. I just saw you in popular live. I'm popular because I'm always lying down. Wow, Daddy Yo! Oh my God, Daddy Yo, you can do it! Ah! Oh my God, 9,000, 9,000, 9,500 again. Oh my God, again 500, Daddy Yo! Thank you! Wow, thank you again na naman! Oh, Daddy Yo, yours very strong talaga. What? 10,000, 10,000, 10,000! Ano ba yan? Ayaw pumutok. Ayaw pumutok, Daddy. Why? Ayaw pumutok sa akin. Oh my gulay. How many times na yan? Oh well. Sorry, Daddy, yo. Someday, yeah. Someday it will putok, it will burst inside. Oh my God, Daddy, oh. So many attempt, but it will not burst. Sorry. Oh my God. Sorry na po. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh my God. So many attempt. Hindi talaga. Thank you. Thank you. Ayaw talaga pumutok. It will not burst. Oh my God. Bigo, you're so mean. They said you need to give three ano ba yun? 3 bills first, then give the dragon. See, I told you, number 893. I always lying down. I'm popular, but I'm not doing anything, just lying down. Oh my God, oh my God, Daddy, yo. Thank you, so many flowers. OMG. Wow, thank you, Daddy, yo. Mine says 65,000 on diamond and I can be new is VIP. Wow. Thank you, Daddy, yo. Daddy, yo, he said, oh, he need to use Belle's crystal ball. Thank you. He said, Daddy, you listen. He said, you need to use bells, then crystal ball, and bells again, then bubble dragon. You need to send first the bells, crystal ball, then bells, then bubble dragon. Oh, tandaan mo yan, Daddy, ha? Made daw ng bells, crystal ball. I-try ko nga yan. I will do the SS. Before he send big gift, use first bills. Ah, you need to first send bills first, then send the ano. That's the correct order. Oh, next time, Daddy, send first the bill, and then the crystal ball, and then that's the time you're going to send the dragon. The bubble dragon. That's the sequence, so that you can hit the dragon. Next time, yes. Next time. You write that, Daddy. So that we will win the dragon, okay? We will win the dragon. I want the dragon. Oh my God. Next time, Daddy, Next time. But it's very no. But you're still lucky because earlier Bryce keep on giving me three bubble dragon. But only one, I only received one 500